morning, everybody. 55 degrees, winds are calm, and the humidity at 57%. 40% humidity right now, so it's dry out there. 62 in Van Nuys, 52 Ontario, and 51 right now. Fullerton with Santa Ana coming in at 52 and 54 at LAX. So there we go. Offshore push continues. Santa Clarita around 11 miles an hour. Highland 12, and you're getting Fullerton at about 8 miles an hour. It's the direction that I'm really interested in. It's so pretty out this morning. We have a few high clouds just wisping through at around 25,000 feet. There they are. That's what's giving us spectacular sunrise. But boy, what a day today as the high pressure area continues to build in through the area. There it is. The high will build in. We continue to go offshore, and it just situates itself over us. Nothing strong in the wind department, just gorgeous kind of weather after a rainy season, which we really needed. Everybody enjoy it. Should be absolutely beautiful. Watch your pets, though. Gets a little warm inland over the next couple of days. You'll see 83 today downtown. We'll jump to the mid-80s tomorrow. The beaches in the upper 70s. Valleys 86, 88 on Thursday, 86 on Friday for the Inland Empire, 84, 87 on Thursday, High Desert 73, Mountains 58, 62 on Thursday, and 65 on Friday. It is a stunning couple of days. Shape it up for us, everybody. Let's see how traffic is this morning.